Hi, this is Thomas from Cozy Grammar, and I wanted to share a very short poem with you from my new translation of the classical Tamar masterpiece on ethics, power, and love, the Kural, or in short, the Kural. This verse comes from chapter 46 on freedom from smallness and has to do with the social and ecological company we keep. I'll first share the English translation, then I'll share the original so you can hear what the Tamar sounds like, then I'll share the translation again. This is Kural 452 by the poet Kural. The nature of earth alters water. The nature of company alters what we know. Nilitil bal nir tirindat tragum, mandar kinitil badagum marivit. The nature of earth alters water. The nature of company alters what we know. Earth and water interpenetrate each other. The health of one is the health of the other. So too, the nature of the company we keep and our very sense of reality. What our friends know and what we know become inseparable. May we all be blessed with great and noble company, and may earth and water teach us to be wise.